Would you like a receipt? I ordered some things. I got coupons from TikTok Shop, and I ordered a few things that I was gonna do a haul tonight, but I'm not. I'm tired. Riley had a choir concert. So her recent choir performance made me go back and look at old videos. The girl been a clown. I mean, I can't name a performance when she was in choir that she did not clown. This was in elementary school. So boom, we fast forward to middle school. It doesn't matter. I'm trying to get my mom's attention in the audience, and the light is too bright. What's going on out there? They were literally getting ready to set up to sing. So we went to see all of them at their concert. But let me just show y'all real quick. I'm gonna try this stuff on tomorrow. Okay, these are like pajama sets. Y'all, they are so... It's giving Juicy Couture, or... No, not Juicy Couture. What's the other soft? I don't know. Okay, TikTok Shop. Oh, I probably should have got a small. I ain't got nothing to fill these out. I'm gonna have to get these to the kids. So Riley, I don't know about the shorts. Number 2. Okay, this is a medium. I should have got a small. It's giving, what am I gonna do with this? And here is the white. The white set. Cute little comfortable lounge around pajamas, whatever. We'll try these on tomorrow. I already told Maddie she can have this, but lies, I want it. I'm sorry, dude. It's a small. You can have one of these. This is also another little silk pajama set.
I'm still in it.
No, Maddie. Can I have something? Oh, I can't wait to squeeze my tiny self up in this upstage Ollies. Just kidding. Maddie, I have to try them on. You can't take them now.
I just wanted to see what it looks
Oh,
like.
okay. It's a medium. It's kind of big, right?
Yeah, that's why I should have got the silk one.
No, this is for me. This is cute. This is giving mama needs some silk pajamas. You'll take the short? Mm-hmm. You need to take the top too. Okay, so this is just a regular black, I say it's a Skims knockoff, but it's a not knockoff, I shouldn't say that. It's a regular black dress. I'm not gonna show y'all these because it ain't gonna do their justice until I have them on. So I got a black dress, a blue dress, and a floral dress that I will try on tomorrow. Good night. This is so good. It's talking about growing in wisdom, discernment, and revelation. In order to have peace as parents, we have to pray for certain things to be true in the lives of our adult children, and then we have to trust God to answer those prayers. We can't be obsessing over everything that happens in their lives, because that will not only drive us crazy, but everyone around us as well. And that isn't the most effective way to pray for them anyway. We don't have to figure out every little detail. That's God's work. We have to pray for the big picture, pray for the most important issues, pray to neutralize the enemy's plan, pray about specifics if we know them, and pray for God's will to be done in each of our children's lives. Even if your children aren't old, grown, adults, you're thinking about having kids, I would recommend reading this book. It's taking me longer because I take a lot of notes. As you can see, I got my... I got notebooks and things. I just really, really, really want to soak up as much as I can. So I'm taking my time. I'm only on chapter 3. My plan is to be done with this book by Thanksgiving. And I should be. I know I'm supposed to be doing the haul for y'all, right? But I want to read one more thing. Because I just feel like it's so good. Like, why get the information and not pass it along? So I am on the part that is speaking about the reasons why you need to ask God for revelation. Revelation from God helps us to make a right response, a response we would not have known to make without it, that will keep us from destroying ourselves. A man who wanders from the way of understanding will rest in the assembly of the dead, Proverbs 21:16. Without revelation, we can make disastrous decisions. Not only can our adult children not make right choices without revelation from God, they often cannot make any choices at all. All too common in our society today is the inability of young people to make life decisions about anything. Often they have trouble deciding where to work, what to do, whom to marry, where to go, and other important things in order to move their lives along. Only a word from God to their hearts can get them moving Only a word from God to their hearts can get them moving with any kind of certainty. Revelation changes everything. Without revelation from God, they don't know what to do and they can remain frozen in a place. Ain't that good? Pray for the heart of each of your adult children to desire godly wisdom, discernment, and revelation. These things are life-changing and will benefit them greatly every day of their lives. Then it comes with a prayer after that. That is so good. Yes, Stormy. Okay, for the haul, for real. Like, okay, TikTok shop. Hey, this is just a plain maxi, spaghetti strap maxi dress with the mermaid tail. Let's get the tail. Okay, this is how long it is. It's giving Little Mermaid. It's cute. Color like this this type of blue. It's cute. TikTok shop, okay? Well, yeah, I should have ordered like a lot of more colors than these. I could totally see myself either walking around the house in these just as an everyday dress or slip on, go to the grocery store. I rock with these. I'm gonna go double check. These dresses were like $7 or $8 on TikTok shop. Mermaid bottom, fit me here, spaghetti strap, and it's long. I'm 5'6.5". 5'7", 6.5. I don't know, one of them. Either way, it touches the floor. It's cute. Okay, this one might be my favorite. I'm trying to figure out how to tie it, so y'all can figure this out with me. I don't know if there's one tie that goes around the neck. Oh yeah, they gotta be it. And these, maybe? These are the sleeves? Yeah, this is my favorite one. I can tell. Let's tie it tight. Okay. Y'all, it is so comfortable. Okay, this floral one is a different material than the black and blue ones I just tried on. This one kind of feels more like a stretchy material. Let me fix this and I'm gonna show you how to hold this. This is so cute. I'm going to a party this weekend. This really giving like picnic. The party I'm going to, I'm gonna have to dress up. OMG, wait till y'all see. Okay, y'all ready? And it's so super long. I'm so tall, it's hard for me to find long stuff, but y'all, it is so cute. $10 out of 10 TikTok shop for this floral dress. And everything is going to be linked in the description, but I'm also gonna put it somewhere here on the screen. Yes, floral mermaid dress. Okay, I'm wearing a small in these and it's still very baggy, but comfortable as well. Perfect for a girls' night. The holidays coming up. Hell, it's pajama day at school or just for a pajama party. I would recommend. Before I put this top on, this is a medium top. I don't have enough boobs to fill it out, but let's see what it looks like anyway. I already got the shorts on. They're cute, comfortable. They pajamas, so I'm fine with the bottoms being baggy, but let's see what this top. Okay, it's showing all my goods. I don't know if I'm ready for y'all. Whatever, y'all. I have 3 kids, 37. Ain't been to the gym in a while. this is what it is. I should have ordered a small in this, but I feel like after I wash it and the fact that it's loungewear, I can get away with it. It's cute. Very comfortable, cozy material. I got it in pink, white, and then like a darker pink. But it's giving movie night. It's giving lounge around in. It's soft. This is the one Madison is gonna get. Okay, so this is the other color. I said darker pink, but it's giving red. Once again, I should have ordered down because the top, if you have a lot of boobs, this top, a medium top, might be for you because you might be able to fill all of that out. That ain't my testimony. But it's still very comfortable. I'm not saying I wouldn't wear it just the way that I normally like my clothes to fit. I would have ordered a size down. But it's cute. 10 out of 10. Well, 8 out of 10. 10 out of 10 because the hiccup was on me, but you get it. I'm about to get dressed, put back on my regular everyday mom clothes, and go pick up y'all nieces from school. I am so glad that tomorrow is Friday. I'm looking forward to this weekend. So what we have coming up this weekend is we are going to paint pumpkins. So the next time I see y'all, we'll be painting pumpkins. All right, peace. Like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, share, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any new uploads. It's giving big vlogger because it's the consistency for me. All right, thank y'all for watching. Peace.